a hidden message in every waterfall. It says, if you are flexible, falling will not hurt you. Your love is like a waterfall, running wild and free. I firmly believe that nature brings solace in all troubles. I love you like a river that understands that it must learn to flow differently over waterfalls and to rest in the shallows. You don't always get the waterfall shortcut in Mario Kart. That's life. The idea is that flowing water never goes stale. So just keep on flowing. There is a waterfall in every dream, cool and crystal clear. It falls gently on the sleeper, cleansing the mind and soothing the soul. A river cuts through a rock, not because of its power, but because of its persistence. Do not feel sad for your tears, as rocks never regret the waterfalls. We live in a wonderful world that is full of beauty, charm, and adventure. There is no end to the adventures that we can have if only we seek them with our eyes open. All anyone can hope is just a tiny bit of love, like a drop in a cup if you can get it, or a waterfall, a flood if you can get that too. Be soft in your practice. Think of the method as a fine silvery streak, not a ragging waterfall. There's a hope at the bottom of the biggest waterfall.